Hello everybody, my name is Alejandra Quintero. I'm a student at Gran Colombia's University in the English Bachelor career. In this opportunity, I'm going to explain step by step about the content of this course. So let's start. The topic that we are going to work is past simple, and this course is divided in 4 sections. Each section has different subtopics, so let's start. The third section is past simple of to be all forms. The first subtopic is when I use past simple. The second subtopic is simple past uses. The third one is positive, negative, and questions. The second section is regular verbs. The third subtopic is grammar. The second one is simple past spelling, and the third one is pronunciation. The third section is irregular verbs. Here we have the subtopic grammar. The second one, the most common irregular verbs, and the third one is pronunciation. And the last section that we are going to work is questions and negative. Here we have grammar and deed auxiliary. So, as you can see, this is the topics and subtopics that we work during the course. So, welcome to our course. Here you are going to learn and strengthen the past simple topic, and I hope you enjoyed this course. See you soon.